What if your robot vacuum could practically take care of itself? The DREAME L40s Ultra brings some serious automation to floor cleaning. Check the link in the description for the best price. This all-in-one robot promises powerful vacuuming, thorough mopping, and minimal user interaction with its advanced dock. Let's see how it stacks up. The DREAME L40s Ultra comes loaded with features designed to tackle dirt and grime. With 19,000 pascals of Vormax suction, this robot offers some of the most powerful vacuuming you can get, easily handling. The mopping system is top tier, featuring hot water cleaning, automatic solution refill, and mops that lift for carpets or extend. The Hyperstream detangling duo brush effectively prevents hair tangles, which is a huge win for pet owners and long hair users maintaining. For raw cleaning power, the DREAME L40s Ultra truly shines with impressive numbers across the board. Where the L40s Ultra truly aims to impress is its comprehensive automation features. The Power Dock offers virtually hands-free maintenance, with up to 100 days of auto-emptying, 167-degree hot water mop washing, and automatic. Its Easy Leap system capably crosses thresholds and obstacles up to 1. You get full control via the Dream Home app and voice assistants, including advanced options for tailoring cleaning strategies specifically for. A minor trade-off here is that it only supports 2. When it comes to automation, the L40s Ultra sets a new standard, making your cleaning routine. So, the DREAME L40s Ultra is undeniably a premium robot vacuum and mop. Its incredible suction, advanced mopping system, and highly automated dock deliver a truly hands-off cleaning experience. While it comes with a higher price tag and some minor connectivity quirks, it justifies that cost by nearly eliminating your daily floor cleaning chores.